Hey guys, welcome to Tech for YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about JavaScript spread operator. JavaScript spread operator provides a concise and flexible way to manipulate arrays, objects, and function arguments. It can be denoted by 3 consecutive dots. Is a powerful syntax introduced in ES6. Okay, let's see some example for the spread operator. First example is expanding arrays. As you can see here, we have two arrays, num1 and num2. We can use spread operator to expand an array into individual elements. If I'm using spread operator over here, the spread operator syntax is 3 dots, num1, comma. Let me print num2. Here we got the output. You can see the num2 contains num1 and num2. This is the expanding arrays. Let's see what will happen if we remove the 3 dots in prefix of num1. In the output, instead of expanding the array, it's storing the key as 0 and it's storing as array list instead of expanding the num2 array. So that is what we are using spread operator in JavaScript. Second example is concatenating arrays. We can concatenate two arrays into one array. Here we have two arrays, array1 and array2. I'm just creating one new array. Let's say array3. Then inside the square brackets, we can use the spread operator for array1 and array2 like this. Let me print array3 in the console.log array3. Okay, let me just comment it out the first example so that output will not show in the console. Okay, now save the file. Okay, as you can see the output. So we are concatenating array1 and array2. If I'm just changing it as 7, 8, 9, save the file. As you can see, we have concatenated 7, 8, 9, which is array1 and 4, 5, 6, which is array2. That's an example of concatenating arrays. The third example is passing arguments. Here we have one JavaScript function. This function is getting 3 arguments A, B, C. So normally if you want to get output from the JavaScript function, we will call the function with the arguments like this. Sum 1, 2, 3. You can store this in one variable like bar total sum. Let me print out the total. As you can see here, we are getting the total of 6. Okay, instead of passing one by one as an argument, we can use the spread operator. I'm just creating one array which contains the arguments for the sum function, numbers 1, 2, 3. Let me remove the arguments and I'm copying the numbers. The spread operator syntax is 3 dots and the numbers. Save it, and as you can see, you can get the same total by using the JavaScript spread operator. So you can use this way or that way. Fourth example is merging objects. When we have two objects, we need to merge the two objects into one object. We can do it by spread operator. Let me create one object 3, open the curly braces and use the spread operator for the object 1 and object 2. That's it. Let me print it out. Console.log obj 3. Okay, it's done. As you can see, obj1 we have 1 and 2 and obj2 we have 3, 4. So that both objects are merged into one object, as you can see here. That's an example for the merging objects. Hope you enjoy this tutorial and find it useful for your career and interview preparations. If you want more web development videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. By doing so, you will receive more videos like this one. The comment section is always open for any queries you may have. I'm here to help. Once again, thank you guys.